Climate, driving style, vehicle downtime, and years of use can all contribute to the weakening and lifespan of a battery. That's why Mercedes-Benz recommends you have your battery tested to assure optimal vehicle performance and to help avoid an unwanted breakdown. When the time comes to replace your battery, it's important to use a genuine Mercedes-Benz battery. They are specifically designed for your car and its systems, fine-tuned to fit your drive, and built to the highest quality standards. There are certainly other batteries out there that will start your car, but using a genuine Mercedes-Benz battery can help you ensure the ideal performance and longevity. So when it comes to batteries, trust Mercedes-Benz to help keep you safe and fully charged.